Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. Month of July 2025 is a great month for OnePlus 12, 13 and 13R devices because these devices got major OxygenOS 15 v840 update. Only OnePlus 12R was left to get this update, but yesterday OnePlus started to roll out this update for 12R via beta update section. If you are using OxygenOS 15 v830 build, you can check beta section of your device. There you will get 1.20 GB of new v840 update notification. As I already told that it's a big update, it have big changelog. You can either use OTA or can directly download and flash this update via OxygenOS updater application also. But there you will need to download full 6 GB of OTA package. So I downloaded and installed this update, and today in this video we are going to check out each and every small detailed changes of this update. We will check out all the features in a reverse order from number 12 to first. So last three are major features, and I also shown one new user interface change which is not mentioned in this changelog, along with some battery overview of this update. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please like and hype this video, which will help us to grow our small channel. So don't skip any part of this video, watch it till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. After updating, you may feel some heating issue of device, so it's recommended to optimize all applications using Trinity Engine optimization. You will get such notification in notification panel. OTA section is now showing our device is on latest OxygenOS 15 v840. In version section, same software version is available. SOTA version number is just mentioned as EX01. Except that everything will remain same, but security patches are now updated to latest July 2025, which is a major part of this update. Now we'll check out all the new details of this update in a reverse order. On the number 12th is a new gradual alarm feature for OnePlus clock application. In the application and under the alarm setting, you will get this new feature toggle. If you enable this, your device alarm will gradually increases instead of heavy alarm sound. That's pretty cool for people like me who don't like heavy sounds when you are in a deep sleep. Next on the number 11th is a new temporary notification block feature. Under notification and quick setting option for banner notification, we got new temporarily block feature which helps to block notification for 1 minute or until screen is unlocked. This helps you to block repeating notifications of some annoying applications. Once enable this toggle, when you get notification from such application, just swipe up on the heads up banner notification of such applications. After that, its notification will be temporarily blocked for your desired time period. On the number 10th is a new quick shortcut of power menu tile for quest panel. Just tap on the edit icon in a quest panel. Here you will get the new power menu tile. Add it in a quest panel. Later you can restart or power off your device anytime without using power key combo buttons. On the number 9th is OnePlus Sans Fonts now supports more worldwide languages. You will find fonts option in brightness and display setting. There under the fonts option, Sans Font is available. But even if you change the system languages to some worldwide languages, for example, like Ipsonol, still we get OnePlus Sans Font with this language. Still not all the languages support this font, but it's available for most of them now. On the number 8 is a new feature of OnePlus Recorder application, which now supports customizable grouping. Some groups are auto-generated by application, but you can add some groups manually by using this option. Tap on New, create your own group. Once done, select any recordings you want to add in a new group. Tap on Move and select your desired folder. It helps for easy grouping of your voice notes. But I didn't found in-person recording group feature which automatically adds standard meeting interview mode voice recording in this new group. On the number 7th is a new multi-screen control feature. Now we can use any multi-window application simultaneously with main application running in the background. Means we can scroll content, type, or we can do multiple activities for both of the application at the same time. Even the multi-window screen of any application is now draggable to the bottom edges of the screen, which was not possible in a previous build. So it will be easy to use main application by minimizing multi-window app screen to bottom edges. On the number 6 are new soft light filters for OnePlus camera application. In OnePlus camera, you will get the separate soft filter button, which have three soft filters like misty, glowing, and dreamy. On the number 5 are some new features of OnePlus Photos application. If you have taken any live photos, but if you want specific part of that photo as a high resolution picture, it's possible now. Just open the live photo, tap on edit, next tap on live photo option, select any part of that live photo which you want to save it as image, and just tap on export as photo option. That's it, you got new high resolution image of that live photo. Similarly, you can do this for video shooted using OnePlus camera application. Just open that video, tap on edit, then tap on trim. Select any part of the video, then tap on this option called as export as photo. That's it. That specific part of video is now saved as high resolution photo. On the number 4 is a new private space, easy access. In OnePlus Photos application, now you can multi-select photos and then just tap on this option called as set private. All that images will be saved in a private space immediately. But the best feature is that you can access private space later by just long pressing on the album folder, which is available on the home page of Photos application. It's that easy to transfer images and access them in a private space now. Let's talk about last three major and important features of this update. On the number third is new AR perfect shot feature. Most of time we click photos using camera application, but shots was not perfect, like this photo where eyes are closed and facial expressions are not good. But don't worry, just tap on the edit and select AI edit. Here now we get the new feature called as AI perfect shot. When you opens this option, AI will start to scan images and gathers all past images of same person and provide us 5 different facial expressions generated using AI, which helps you to improve facial expressions like closed eyes, smile, etc. Once done, this is the result. You can't even know this is a new image which is actually edited picture. This feature is useful for any images to improve facial expressions and helps to generate more perfect shot. That's why it's called as AI perfect shot. On the number second is a new stack widget feature of OnePlus launcher. If you add any OnePlus widget on the home screen, now you can able to put same size widgets over each other like this I did here. Once done, you can scroll over these widgets and can check widgets content. If you swipe down and hold for a while, it will show you such stack format of widgets which added over each other. This is very useful feature because it helps to add lots of widgets without occupying much of the space on the home screen. But currently it's only working for OnePlus widgets, not for third-party widgets like Google. Hope in future it will work for all application widgets. On the number first is most anticipated feature called as AI Mindspace. It's available in accessibility and convenience setting. Here you will get the quick demo on the top how to use this feature, but don't worry, I will let you explain easily how to use this. Just enable this toggle called as Save to Mindspace. Now just swipe up three-finger gesture or any content which you want to save in a Mindspace. Mindspace will get activated with nice animation and sound, and it starts to recognize the content over the screen. Its notification will remain in a live alert. Once done, just tap on its notification. It will redirect you to Mindspace where screenshot and AI summary get saved. In this way, you can save multiple important content in a Mindspace. For easy access of Mindspace, just add its shortcut in OnePlus sidebar, so you can open that anywhere anytime. In Mindspace, you will find all of your saved content. AI will categorize content automatically, like OnePlus Community App Screenshot is added in Auto-Generated Community tab. Others will be available in All or under Mindspace tab. We can even create categories as per our wish and can add specific content in that category. We can edit, copy, or can change the tags available for content of Mindspace. This feature is absolutely mind-blowing because it accurately analyzes the content and saves its data in a short form. like it did for our channel's homepage. So it will be super helpful for students to save study content in notes format. It will be helpful for content creators like me, and even it's useful for employees to boost their productivity at workplace. Let's talk about the user interface change which is not mentioned in the changelog. In the OT section, beta program section now got new user interface which is now well categorized. It now have about section, tips for best updates and quick shortcut for OnePlus beta community. Separate sections are available for release candidate and closed beta updates, so you can easily understand and can access the beta program of OnePlus. I already tested battery life of this update on my OnePlus 13R. Soon after 2 to 3 days of testing, I will release battery life results of this update on OnePlus 12R. So stay tuned to our channel and join our Telegram channel for regular notifications of such updates. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.